Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sanjyot Keer's incredibly smooth and flavorful hummus. This recipe focuses on achieving that perfect, restaurant-quality dip right in your own kitchen. We'll start by preparing the chickpeas to an ideal softness, then move on to crafting a fresh, aromatic tahini paste. The true secret to its creamy texture lies in a special blending technique, ensuring a delightful experience with every single scoop. First, you'll want to soak 1 cup of dried chickpeas for 7 to 8 hours, or even better, overnight. After soaking, pressure cook them with a pinch of salt for 3 to 4 whistles until they are completely soft and tender. For the homemade tahini, toast 2 cups of white sesame seeds until they release their aroma, then blend them with 1/4 to 1/2 cup of olive oil and salt to create a wonderfully smooth paste. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. On another note, for all your cooking inspiration and endless recipes, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your chickpeas are perfectly cooked and cooled, transfer them to a powerful blender or food processor. Add 1 cup of the reserved chickpea water and 1 to 2 ice cubes, then blend until you achieve a fine paste. Next, incorporate 1/3 cup of your homemade tahini paste, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Continue blending until the hummus is incredibly smooth and creamy, adjusting water as needed for your desired consistency.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.